Voice ekuseni nje.
Amen. God is love mfethu. Siyabonga vuma namhlanje ekuseni ku Monday mfethu sikwi motivation. Isifiso sami mfethu ukuthi sikhulume kabanzi ngohlobo lwembewu oluthile okuthiwa lubizwa ngokuthi it's a fire activated seed. The first time mfethu ngithola kabanzi ngale mbewu, I was reading encwadi ethile mfethu ekade ngiyifunda, and then this book mfethu iyangivezela ukuthi khona uhlobo lwencwadi mfethu uhlobo lwembewu olukwazi ukuqhuma uma lufakeke emlilweni. Kuthiwa before this discovery mfethu abantu ababephethe amahlathi mfethu used to be concerned ukuthi mfethu nanka amahlathi ebhubha mfethu ngalomlilo lona, but kuthe makhamba isikhathi labantu abaphethe amahlathi benza ucwaningo base beyabona ukuthi every time kuba nomlilo oyiqubula obulala ihlathi khona uhlobo lwembewu mfethu olunokuqhuma. And bathe mabenza ucwaningo ngalolu hlobo lwembewu mfethu kwavela ukuthi lolu hlobo lombewu uma kungabanga khona mlilo liyakwazi ukuthi lihlale lu-trapped ngaze kube mfethu 7 years lembewu ingabanga released, you know, but up until the fires come and then lembewu mfethu yakwazi ukuthi iqhume itshaleke mfethu. And masibuka umlilo sihleze sobuka ngento ebhlungu mfethu engeyinhle, kodwa there are certain fires mfethu ezithi mazenzeka noma there are certain seeds ezikwazi ukuqhuma ngoba kufike imlilo mfethu. Ngiphilile vuma mfethu ngabona inhlobonhlobo zabantu, khona abantu mfethu greatness yabo ikwazi ukufika every time they are going through fires. Ngenkathi mfethu abantu bekudabukela mfethu bebona ngazi ukuthi izinto zakho ziyafa wena uhlezi unamabhadi uhleze kwenzakalelwa izinto ezimbi. But umuntu uyabuka every time there's been fires in my life khona this new beginning enokwenzeka correlate with the level of fire engisuke ngidlule kuyo. Mfethu vuma ngeke ngadlula esimene esinzima nefamily yami mfethu. Ngiyakhumbula ekhaya kugcwele egcekeni kukhona abantu abebezoduduza, angifuni ukugxila kakhulu kule, but enye insizwa mfethu egifted esasindiswa nayo yakwadladla mfethu ene gift of prophecy. Lensizwa vuma yangibizela eceleni kubhlungu mfethu kunzima ngalendlela exakile, yangibizela eceleni yathi mfethu ngiyaxolisa lento engizoyisho mfethu I believe comes from God. Wasekhotha mfethu ivesi lika John 12:24 lithi leli verse, unless a grain of wheat falls on the ground and dies, it only remains a seed, but if it dies it produces many seeds and fruits. Khona izinto vuma mfethu eyi-trapped in our lives mfethu okuzodinga ukuthi kufike umlilo mfethu, yabo lento leyo. And mfethu lo mlilo mfethu awukho pleasant, you know, asisho ukuthi lo mlilo asiye kuwona ngabomu, lo mlilo uzofika uthanda ungathandi, but when this fire comes mfethu it releases a greatness. Abantu abaningi vuma mfethu ngiyayibabuka abantu mfethu bebonga uNkulunkulu ngeministry uNkulunkulu angifake kuyo mfethu, izinto engikhulumayo they see life, they see mfethu ivalue kulezi zinto mfethu uNkulunkulu angenzisa zona, but each and every ministry vuma mfethu engasho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyangisebenzisa kuyo, each and every ministry enginayo mfethu I can trace it back kuma fires that I had to go through mfethu. Umlilo mfethu yabona mfethu vuma abantu abaningi bangitrusta ngokukhuluma nabantu besilisa. Why? Because ubaba I lost ubaba ngena 4, you know. Now I understand ukuthi mental health yomuntu wesilisa kanjani, ukukhula kwengane engenawo umfana kukanjani. Now abantu bayakwazi ukungithemba ngama platforms. Why? Because I experienced the fire and that fire released a seed. Ukulahlekelwa abantu abathandiweyo bakho mfethu, I've lived experience mfethu. Now I've written 14 books mfethu, I'm working on my 15 books mfethu. I speak on certain platforms that I never thought ngizokhuluma kuona. Why? Because of these fires that happened in my life and they release a greatness mfethu. I went through depression vuma mfethu yabo, but now mfethu uNkulunkulu sengibeke kuma positions la mangithi mangikhuluma mfethu abantu abasuicidal bangifonela bathi mfethu ngikuzwile ukhuluma mfethu. I was on the verge of committing suicide mfethu, but ngithe mangikuzwa mfethu I was like no, there is life mfethu, I can still live impilo mfethu honorisha uNkulunkulu. Everything mfethu ministry in my life mfethu I can trace it back kulama fires uNkulunkulu owavulela. There is the fires mfethu I release a greatness. Iningi lethu mfethu abanye baze bahamba emhlabeni kungafanele mfethu. Why? Because these fires athe mefika kubona efuna ukuzorelease a seed of greatness, babona ngathi mfethu balahlekile, they thought they needed to commit suicide, kanti no, uNkulunkulu befuna ukuzorelease something mfethu. Khona abantu mfethu abalahlekelwe emsebenzi njengamanje, abanye engibaziyo mfethu who have lost jobs to become greater people in other spheres of lives. There was these fires that came into their lives to release a seed of greatness. Khona abantu aba-underminewayo mfethu, khona abantu mfethu nasemsebenzini mfethu ipost wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi le post ufana ngabe yakho, but somehow the post but decide to kuyifreeze mfethu. Why? This fire mfethu is there to release a greatness. Sengizoconclude mfethu kulento. One of the verses we find in John John 11 verse 4. Ukhuluma ngokuthi while Jesus had this, ukhuluma ngoLazarus, Jesus said, this sickness will not end in death. It's for God's glory so that God's Son may be glorified through it. These fires, in fact, some of us are going through, they are not there to destroy us, in fact, but it's for God's glory. There's this seed that is trapped in you, in fact. Wonke umuntu ogreat engimaziyo, in fact, every person ogreat engimaziyo, in fact, they have a story that is linked with the fires that came into their lives. Those fires came so that they could release this seed. God is love, mfethu. I-greatness yakho izoba released ngokuthi u-embrace these fires. Lezi zinto ezikhalisayo, mfethu, they are there to release i-greatness yakho, mfethu. I just wanted to talk to some of our listeners because I know there are people, mfethu, abanaleyo seed in their lives. This seed, mfethu, izohlala forever. Abanye boze bangena emgodini bangcwatshwe ingakazi beqhume le seed. Why? Because you haven't embraced fire. Embrace this fire because there are seeds that can only germinate when there are fires. God is love.
Wow. Thulani Gumede, I'm definitely going to make sure that you get this series also on the